We'll guide you through how to fix any iPhone with an unresponsive touchscreen. Whether it's an iPhone Pro, Pro Max, or Air, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can go about resolving this. It can be really frustrating because you may think your iPhone is potentially broken, and it's just annoying because you can't go and use your iPhone. You may think you're going to need to wait for it to run out of battery and then try charging it again to go and do a restart. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So this tends to just be a software problem. There's a glitch and your iPhone's got stuck and it's unresponsive. So we can actually go and try resolving this with a restart. You may be thinking, well, how can I go and do a restart without using the screen or waiting for the phone to run out of charge? Well, we can actually go and do a button combination, and this will then go and do a restart. This is known as a force restart. So make sure you watch this guide carefully as we're guiding you through the combination and how it's done. So let's go and get started. I've managed to go and resolve the problem with this before, so let's do this. So what we're going to need to do is go and come onto the left, find the volume rockers, and we're going to press the volume increase, then decrease. Then we're going to go and tap and hold the side button here. Let's go and get started to press volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. That all needs to be done quickly and consecutively. Now, if your screen is unresponsive, this may not happen. You may not go and see that there. Just keep it held down. It should go black. Keep it held down until we see the Apple logo. Then you can release, and that's going to start. So just to go and continue there, your phone may go and remain the same. You won't go and see that slide to power off, but just keep it held down and it should go black, and then you can release it when you go and see the Apple icon. It's now starting. It shouldn't be much longer, and the iPhone should then be back on. As you can see, you can then go and swipe up and the screen should go and be responsive now. Hopefully that's it and the problem is resolved. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with another how-to.